Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have unfortunately been away, very much an unscheduled, unplanned break, but it was very much due to starting a new job, and I'm just sort of trying to find the balance between my new job role and continuing this as a creative outlet. Let's get straight into the video. As you can see on screen, I have the Row Margaux, and I believe I found some excellent dupes, some excellent lookalikes. I wanted to start off the video by pointing out that the Row Margaux, if you were in the market to purchase the original designer version, has a couple different sizes. To my knowledge, they make it in leather and they make a suede version. So the size 10, size 12 come as crossbody options as well, while the size 15 and 17 are carry only. So top handle, depending on your physique, shoulder possible, maybe. Okay, so a little bit of a close up. The Row Margaux in suede. So rough price point is sort of above 3,000 up to 6,000 I've seen on places like Vestiaire and the pre-loved market in general. As you can see here, this is the suede version. You can see the buckle detail. You can see it's an open mechanism, has a little T-buckle closure strap, and you can see the crossbody in action here. Okay. Another example just to show the Margaux from the Row in leather version. This is the size 15. So this will not have crossbody. It's retailing at some point when Harvey Nichols had it in stock, £4,810. I think that's a lot, but again, there are designer bags that cost way more. As you can see, this is the black version. You've got that buckle detail to the side, little discreet logo, and you can see it's an open access. It doesn't have a zip. It has got that little T-buckle closure mechanism. So you can see the model holding it, just gives you an idea of what the design of the bag is. I feel like a lot of people, if you're someone that's into bags, you know. With the fact that we're coming up to the Christmas season, if you're in the market to get gifts for yourself, family, loved one, I have found some really good dupes and lookalikes. Okay, guys, so the very first bag we're starting with is from Debenhams, and on their online website, as you can see here, now it's priced very nicely at £18.21, and that's a reduction from £65 if it was ever genuinely worth £65. This is faux suede, so it's not real. You can see the dimensions on screen, guys, and we're just going to go through some of the features of the bag. So you can see the model carrying it. I want to point out that this does not have a crossbody, so this would only be top handle or in the crook of your elbow. You can see the features of the bag here. So, and it has got feet at the bottom. It's got the buckles to the side. So this is a very on the nose dupe of the Row Margaux, okay, in faux suede and from Debenhams at less than £20. Moving on swiftly to the next bag. And here from Amazon, you can see they have a version for just under £26, £25.99. They have got this in a slightly darker colorway and then a very lighter brown. I want to point out that this one has got the crossbody strap, okay? It's also faux suede, and you can see how the model is holding the bag. You can see it can be in the crook of your elbow or top handle, and you can clearly see it's an opening that has no zip, but it does have this sort of buckle closure mechanism. It's got feet as well, and you can see the dimensions on screen. And for £26 from Amazon, it looks to be well reviewed. Not a bad option, I would say. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree so far with the two finds. Let's move on to bag number 3. So here we have bag number 3, also from Amazon. First things to point out, this has not got crossbody strap. It's priced at £31.35 if you buy the coffee colorway. If you go for it in burgundy, it's a different price point in brown, cheaper price point in black. So black, brown are the cheapest price points of £27 and a couple pence. The burgundy is priced higher and the coffee is £31.35. They also have it in 2 sizes, and I'll show you that now. It gives you an idea of comparison. So if you're going to carry this for work, if you're going to use it with your laptop, your tablet, it lets you know what's going to fit in which size. And here you can see what the opening is like. You have got essentially a zipped compartment on one side and then 2 pockets on the other side. Well, it looks to be 2 pockets. And then you've got that T-buckle closure mechanism as well. You've got the buckle detail to the side. You've got the detail with the strap handles. And that's what makes this a dupe for the Row Margaux, as you can see on screen. Okay. I will say that I think the coffee colorway is the colorway I would recommend the most. Let's move on to the next bag. This bag is from Margaux. They've called it the classic city bag in black. Again, no crossbody with this one, and it's priced at £39.50, reduced from £45.99. So, if you decide to go for the option from Margaux, you will note that it is similar in terms of the style with the handle, the belt buckle detail to the side, but this is giving more that you can more comfortably wear this on the shoulder, is what I would say. And you can see it comes with an internal purse as well. So it's sort of like a little bit of an extra bargain, this option, I think. And you can see that it's a little bit looking more slouchy. This is definitely faux leather. First two were faux suede, then the next one was faux leather, and this is also faux leather as well. For less than £40, I think this is an excellent dupe, and I like the drop length on the strap. I think this would be more comfortable if you tend to wear your bags shoulder style, for sure. Next bag. And then H&M has what they've called the shopper. So you can see similar handle detail. The side buckle is still present, but it features a little bit of a different placement mechanism, should we say. But again, this is in faux suede and in the brown color. And it looks to be a little bit more structured. That's what I would say with this one from appearances. But again, $42.99 is the price point. It looks to be well reviewed, 26 reviews. So I always say check the reviews, check what the delivery returns policy is. This is not a bad option, guys. Let me know if you agree in the comments. This is the next bag from a website called Sewera. They appear to have the bag in a couple different styles, and I'll explain what I mean by that. So the faux leather version, the faux suede black version has sold out, but it might come back in stock. They have the faux leather version, which they've called the glazed black, that is still in stock, and it is at a slightly higher price point of £54. Okay. And then they have the version I would recommend the most, the suede brown, at £45. Okay. And just going through the bag in terms of the styling, you can see it's similar. It's definitely a look-alike with the placement of the straps, the buckles to the side. There's a side-on angle. You can see it's got that open style. It's slouchy as well. And you can see it held. You can see it under the arm of the model. So it is very slouchy, I would say. And I think for the price point of £45, this is not a bad option. And they've called it the henna shopper bag. Okay, guys? I would also point out this is not crossbody. Basically, once the sizes are slightly bigger, it's just top handle crooks of your elbow, but it's the smaller sizes that if you want a crossbody, that's what you'd have to go for. This is the final bag, and it's available from ASOS. It is called the Gina Tricot Medium Relaxed PU Leather Bag in black. So only available in black. And where the last bag was, they had faux leather, faux suede. This is only faux leather, priced at £50. This is the most pricey option for my selection of dupes and lookalikes for the Row Margaux bags. And let's go through it. So already, I'm sure you can all see that they don't have the same buckle detailing that all the other dupes have had. This is a tie lace pattern, which I think is quite cute, and it does make its own statement as well. With the handles, you can see it on the model. It fits comfortably in the crook of her elbow. And I will say that this looks like it will go on the shoulder comfortably as well, more so than some of the other ones I've shown you guys. And so in terms of styling, I think this is very cute. It's definitely one of the pricier ones. It doesn't seem to have any sale or discount, but obviously if you are a new ASOS member, you can get 15% off if you sign up. Now, the bag I purchased is this one from Amazon. As you guys know, I like Amazon's return policy. I thought it's well reviewed, over 100 reviews, scoring 4 stars. If I don't like it, I can ship it back. I got it in the larger size and I got it in the coffee colorway. I'm going to insert a clip of me unboxing the bag and then a couple of mugshot pictures of what it looks like. I got this to give as a gift this Christmas season to a family member who I know treats their bag really rough, essentially. I thought this would be perfect in terms of capacity. But enough talking, let me insert the clips, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed so far, and I will come back and wrap up the video. I more or less came back from my recent travel. and I excitedly opened this package I'd ordered from Amazon, and then I thought, let me film it. So it comes just in that, so it wasn't very well protected, in my opinion. Okay, it was well sealed, so I would say moisture didn't get into it. It says here, as you can see, okay, now it's up for debate whether it is or isn't a good dupe. Let's continue the unboxing. So again, I will say, I don't think moisture is going to be a worry with this purchase, but I think a box would have been better to try and keep the bag structure. I can already feel the handles a bit squashed, shall we say. It does come in a dust bag, as you can see, okay. And so you see what I mean? This side is not terrible, but this side is definitely creased, okay? We're gonna see if we're able to work that out. It says this on the end. I don't know how accurate that is. I think the general shape is there. I do like how it feels. Feels pretty good. On the bottom, it has got feet. I think I can take these off. So they do come off. And I don't know if you can see that. It has got an imprint. It says the Row. Don't know if that's coming up. Let's look at the inside. So as you can see, it is arrived quite wonky. I'm gonna put some weights in. I did try to pad it very poorly, in my opinion. This is in the bag. The interior here, you can see it claims to be made in Italy. Don't know if that's focusing. What I will say, guys, the material feels lovely to the touch, okay? The price point is on screen. I think you can see the composition and the materials on screen as well. Internally, we have a zip. Moves okay. Closed, open, reasonable compartment. This interior lining is sort of quite wipeable. Then on the opposite side, we have got one pouch. And then this pouch here as well. So a pocket, pocket. Hopefully that's visible. So I think this would fit the laptop size I have. Overall, I'm a happy camper. Oh, I haven't taken this off. So you can see the full effect. Not bad for an Amazon trial. But let me know if you guys agree, disagree, and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone. Okay, guys, so you've seen the unboxing, you've seen photos of the mud shots. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did I make the right purchase? Should I have bought something else? Let me know what else you'd like to see. Do like the video and do leave a comment below what you've thought about the video. And do consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this, guys. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.